Hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Yes, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday, December the 24th, 2020. Yes, the third Sudoku is a binary puzzle, and this will be number 2061. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. And all the doubles are used. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O comes in 1. Between two O's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. We have now, well, between two ones comes an O. I think we need, no, between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And now I need to compare, I think. Yeah. We have a double one. Yeah. Let me see. 3 O's. Yes, 3 O's. And I know between an O and a 1, there's always, and with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. I do not know in which order. So we have 1 O, the second O, third O, and the fourth O. So the rest are 1. So these are 1s. Now we have 4 ones in this row. The rest are O's. We have here also 4 ones. So the rest are O's. So we need to compare those two. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let me see. Do we have a 1 O 1 1? Yes. This row and that row. Empty box. Oh yeah, empty box. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, with 1 row compared. Yes. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few minutes with the last one. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars, aka Suguru in Japanese. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.